Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we will cover email system in our CRM and we will see how to use email better and create email campaigns or email templates using it. But before that, let me go to the settings and tell you about the email services tab. So from here you can add your own SMTP service or you can use the default service. This blue add service button. So from this drop down you can add your own SMTP provider, and once you're done with the integration, click on this save button. There are many options for setting up your email within the settings to include a forwarding address, BCC email, a reply address, or even forwarding to an assigned user. So first field is forwarding address. Let's type in an email. Press enter after each email address. Okay, so what it does is that the email replies will be sent to your personal email inbox and also in conversations tab. You can also type in a PCC email in this field so that you can receive a copy of every email that is sent from this account on this email address. Then we have this toggle button here. If you turn it on, then the specific user assigned to a particular lead will receive the email replies within their user email. Note that with the forwarding address set up, if you reply to an email from a lead directly in your email box, it will not sync back into the system. You can also add a custom reply to address here, but if you see this note here, it says that reply conversations cannot be tracked and will not come to conversation thread. From this tab you can view the statistics of your emails, and from here you can view the risk assessment of the deliverability of your emails. Let's move back and create an email template using the email builder. Navigate to marketing tab and from this drop down click on templates, then click on this plus new button. From here you can create a template from existing campaign, or you can create a template using all these pre-made templates. You can also start from scratch by clicking on this blank template option, or you can import email also. Okay, so for now let's try creating an email from scratch. Click on this blank template option. Okay, so the builder contains two editors, design editor and code editor. Design editor has a drag and drop elements feature, while the code editor refers to HTML. You can choose the editor based on your editing experience. Let's choose design editor for now. Okay, so on the left side you can see these icons, add elements, manage element, and appearance. The add elements section will allow you to add the needed elements to your template. You can select from a range of elements including text, image, button, logo, and all these. And then we have manage elements. The manage elements icon provides an overview of all the elements within your email. And then we have appearance tab. In the appearance tab you can tweak the aesthetics of your template. You can customize your button, add divider, and add custom CSS and set the mobile formatting also. And then we have saved items tab. Here you can see all the saved items. You can save an element from this icon here, and then it will show on the left side. As you can see over here, it appeared here So all of the elements that you save will appear here. When you choose an element to edit, a handy inline editor will appear at the top. This tool provides various text formatting options, making it easy to create and customize emails efficiently in our templates and campaigns platform. You can change the name of the template through here. Let's say test template. Okay, so let's put in a logo here. You can just simply drag and drop an element. Okay, so let's change the heading also. Let's say subscription offer. There you go. And you can change the padding of this element from here. Let's move back to the elements page. Okay, let's put a divider below it. Okay, so you can select an element and change the settings of it from here. Yeah, let's change the color of this divider. Let's make it red. Okay, there you go. Okay, so let's move back to the elements page. Now let's put some text below it. Okay, you can also add a video below it. It could be the video in which you are explaining about your offer. You can select the video type through here. Let's make it Loom, as we will record the video in Loom, and then put the URL here. And let's move back to the elements page. Let's put in the social element also. You can add the URL by clicking on this pencil icon here. And below elements we have layouts. You can add a new layout below it. Let's take this one. It's got two columns, and you can make it full width or content width. And in the same way you can add elements to it and make it as you like. Let's move on and hit on this save template button here. Okay, our template has been successfully saved. Let's move back. Okay, so please note that an email template will not be the final email that will be sent out to contacts. It is just a layout placeholder for you to use as a foundation for future emails. The actual email that you will send out is called an email campaign, and which I will show you in just a minute. And it is always recommended to use placeholder text and custom values when setting up an email template. And all the customized text should be added once you are sending out an email campaign that used this template as its foundation. And then if you see here with this actions drop down, you can do several actions. You can create a campaign for this template from here. You can archive or delete this template. You can even clone this template. You can preview it. You can share this template, and you can also do these actions. And then next we have email campaigns. Okay, so let's create an email campaign from this template that we have just created. So as you can see, our template is now opened up. You will design your campaign on top of this template layout. You can put in the final text to your template, and you can make the changes and create the final version of your email. And once you're done, click on this send or schedule button. Okay, so here you can put in the from email sender name. It is optional. It is the name that the recipients will see. and then you can put in the subject line, and you can put in the preview text, and you can do all these settings and then click on send. Or you can schedule this email to be sent at a later time. You can pick the time through here, and all of these settings are the same. Next we have the batch schedule. You get some additional features here. You can put in the batch quantity, and you have this repeat after functionality, and you can uncheck the days on which you do not want to send the email campaign from here, and you can specify the starting and ending time. And next we have RSS schedule. It is ideal for blog posts or regular content feeds. Add your recipients in the to section by choosing emails or smart list. Add your email address in the from section. Add your name in the name section. It is optional. You can add your subject line in the subject section, and then you can put in the RSS feed URL here. And you also have the choice of daily, weekly, and monthly, and you can put in the time when the RSS campaign is to be set out. You can uncheck the days from the week when you don't want to send the RSS email campaign. Okay, so let's head on and click on this save button here. Okay, our campaign is saved successfully. Let's move back to the main lobby. Okay, so as you can see, our email campaign that we have made from the test template is now showing over here. And with this action drop down, you can do all these actions. Okay, so let's move on to the next template snippets tab. Select add template. You can choose SMS or email template. Let's choose email template for now. You can customize the template as you wish, and you'll see the preview on the right hand side of the screen. Let's put in the name for our email template. Let's say demo template. Put in the subject for your email. Let's say test, and then you can type in the main body of your email in this box here. Let's say hello, how are you. You can also put in custom values from this drop down, and you can also add trigger links to your email. You can attach a file with this email through here, and once you're done you can click on the save button. And you can also send a test on your email by putting in the from address and to address here. And yep, that's it for this. So basically, template snippets are useful if you often find yourself sending same or similar message and you don't want to utilize the email builder, as using the templates can save you time. You can directly add these template snippets into your workflow actions or one-time communications. You can also create your email signature. For that, navigate to settings, go to my profile. Scroll down to the email signature section and add your email signature here. If you have a pre-existing email signature, you can copy it from another email system and paste it into the email signature box. You may have to do some slight formatting. Uh, you can click on the update profile button to confirm your changes. If you have images that you would like to include, such as a company logo, you can simply drag and drop the file straight into the editor. Ensure that you resize the image accordingly and save it. To utilize your email signature in an email, you can either use the custom value, as you can see over here, user.email underscore signature at the end of an email, or you can choose to include the email signature on all outgoing replies with this toggle button here. And note that you must be assigned to a contact for your signature to be used with the custom value here. So that's all for this video, and if you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video.